Don't know how to do this shit.
Yo.
Oh.
Ow.
Is this nigga serious?
Cause I ain't trying to get a toe tag. Nigga ain't nobody bigger than the program. I swear to God, these niggas copycats. Copy something else and I'm slapping niggas, copy that. You rap niggas sweet just like the Jolly Ranch. After all my songs the beat, leave in a body bag like a newspaper. Bitch.
See, we back on another banger. What was you talking about, nigga? It's your boy Jay today, aka Tempter. We back on another banger, bro. And you see, we got the handcuffs, bro. We finna be doing handcuffs. No.
Shitty booty.
Not for 24 hours. We finna be doing if we can stay handcuffed for 1 hour straight. We finna be moving around. You see, show them where we at. Yes, sir. We finna like be going in stores. Nigga, what is you doing? We finna be going in stores and stuff, you know what I'm saying? Alright, we about to put the handcuffs on.
Let me do it. How they used to do that shit cut like movie.
Hey, yo, chill, that shit hurt. Alright, you ready? Alright, y'all.
Let me snap that bitch off for y'all niggas.
Right.
Hey, these niggas is dumb. Hey, y'all, these niggas.
Alright, cool.
Alright, so what y'all doing first?
Clip it one more time.
There. Alright, y'all.
Stop pulling!
Alright. You see a nigga, we handcuffed. It's my dog. Alright, bro. Alright, so what first store are we going to? You pick.
Alright, so look, what we about to do is we about to go up, and y'all want y'all to walk up the stairs next to each other.
In the mall?
Do that shit. Yes, sir.
Right,
And then after that, we just gonna walk around the mall and see if people notice.
Alright, come on. Oh, wait. Done that. Come on, no, stop. You see her drinking, it's not funny. Alright, y'all. So, as y'all really see, it's not clickbait, you know what I'm saying? We really handcuffed in this. We really handcuffed in here.
Don't break my bracelet, it's not even mine.
But like and subscribe, bro. Come on. Oh, the elevator's right there.
Hit that bell, nigga. Stop playing.
Let's go. Get in front. Alright. I don't know.
That's going down.
No, yeah, that's going down. Come on. We're literally looking at us, y'all. Wait, you going inside here?
Yeah.
They can tell me to put my mask up because I'm too sure right there.
Nigga, what are you doing? Like, she got corona, as I know.
COVID-19.
Keep playing with me, both of y'all gonna get a straight foot up your asshole.
That's not cool. That's not cool.
Hey, no, not like that. My nigga, if I'm falling this shit, I'm alive.
If he falling before me. Because I'm not falling on my kneecaps. But I'm gonna be mad when I gotta go home. It's not gonna be okay.
Alright, where are you gonna go? Where y'all gonna go? Mr. Keyshawn, where are we gonna go?
He's gonna see if it's challenging.
I want y'all to walk downstairs. Like I said, nigga, walk down the stairs.
Oh.
Not escalator, nigga, stairs. Come on. Hey. We're gonna start recording when we get to the stairs.
Bro, look, bro.
Alright, y'all, so I don't know what he making us do. We going in this damn elevator handcuffed, my nigga, handcuffed. Bro, what is your problem? Look at y'all.
You ridiculous. Look at her dumb ass, bro. You.
Did you push that?
Yes. Shut up. Hurry the fuck up.
The South Bay Galleria, 18
dumb, bro. Like you're fucking
The bottom of
dumb.
my shoe touched.
And then you're saying shit when I come. All right.
No, but
All right. So look, let me go look at the hands. Let's show me the hands. Let me see the hands. Hold on. No, wait. Show me the fucking hands. Oh, hold on. Hold on. These niggas got scars.
Oh God.
Y'all niggas is dumb.
Hey,
Oh.
hold my
All right.
phone.
So what y'all about to do? What y'all about to do?
We finna race all the way down there to that P5. You know what I'm saying?
That P5.
Let's get right.
Hold on. That shit
All right.
not showing.
Let's
That
go.
shit
Ready?
not showing. But they gotta race all the way down there. Huh?
All right. Ready?
Yeah. All right. Y'all ready? Go ahead. I can't even see these niggas though, boy. I ain't give the bad. This shit looks so weird. Look, but they coming back. Look.
I can't fucking run.
All right. So who won? So who won?
Me.
Oh shit.
Ow.
All right. Next challenge. Next challenge.
Wait.
Next challenge.
Let's go to the stairs right there. The stairs down
Yeah.
there.
Next challenge. Nah. Go ahead. Get it. Get your drink. Get your drink. I got something for the ass. You know, look at the view. Look at the view. Look at the view. That shit hard. Come on now. Tell me this shit. All right. So what I'm gonna need y'all to do is
I didn't
run.
even drink this.
No, wait. No, come back. Go. Wait. What you gonna do? I need y'all to run, not walk. Run all the way to the bottom floor of these stairs, and then see who wins.
Can't get my breath.
Nah, that ain't no breast. Y'all do that shit. Come on.
I'm ready to pass
I'll
out.
tell y'all what to do for the whole video. Come on. Hold on. Let me get it for y'all. Watch out. Do you not want this?
I do. Hold it.
All right. Y'all ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
You moving too damn slow.
All right, move. Get it right. Move.
Oh, this shit burn. This shit burn.
Oh,
Bro, how you take
she
this
didn't
shit
want to do
off?
the challenge. Damn. So, first.
He said it first.
All right. So look, who forfeit first?
No, he did. No, he said I'm taking this shit off.
Oh,
Man, fuck you,
but
bro.
you took it off. Nah, but you took it off. All right. So look, what we gonna do is, whoever took it off first, that was you. So you gonna get a punishment. All right.
I wish.
So, me and you, we gonna decide her punishment. And it's gonna go with this video too.
All right.